Hey everyone, it's Heidi here. I have another purple hair product to share with you guys. This is a purple hair mask. I purchased it from Amazon for only $10. It only takes 10 minutes, so if you're interested, keep on watching. The first step to this process is to shampoo your hair. Then you'll just towel dry it really quick, put a hairbrush through it, and then you're going to apply your product. This brush right here is amazing. I purchased it on Amazon. I'll link it in the description box in case you're interested. My daughter absolutely loves it. It goes straight through her hair with even the tangles. This purple hair mask, it did have a slight smell. It wasn't good or bad. I can't really describe it. This is an 8-ounce container. You're supposed to use about 2 ounces of it, so I kind of eyeballed it. Just put it throughout my hair basically. You can add it as much as you're liking. I just used my fingers for this process, and I just grabbed a bunch and applied it throughout my whole hair. You can use a brush. I also have one of those. I decided not to use it. I figured this would be easier, and it really worked perfectly. All I did was apply it throughout my whole entire head, and on the end I just kind of added some more to make sure it was on the ends where the brassiness was a little bit more. You can add more or less to your liking for this. If you have a little bit more brassiness, I think next time I might leave it in a little bit longer than 10 minutes. I just wanted to do the 10 minutes to see how much it would lighten up my hair and take some of that brassiness away, and it did really well for only 10 minutes. So I can't wait to see what a little bit longer will do. Once you're completely done putting all this up through your hair, I took my hairbrush and I just brushed my hair through just to make sure that it's evenly distributed out through my entire hair. I'm not sure if you can tell, but this is about how much I used out of that container. One thing I would recommend is concentrating more on the brassy areas first and then applying it to the rest. I should have tried to add more to the sides and the back of my hair. That's where I feel it's the most with the brassiness. Once you're ready and it's fully done, you set your timer for 10 minutes, and then after that you'll wash and dry your hair, style it as usual. So here are the final results. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you're new to my channel, I hope you'll consider subscribing. I love to do things on a budget, whether it's beauty, organization, grocery hauls. If you're into that type of content, I hope you'll subscribe. Thank you guys so much for tuning in and watching. Until next time, guys, bye.